A mobile-first company is one that prioritizes mobile devices and their users in every aspect of their business strategy. Let's delve into what this means and why it's significant. Definition of a mobile-first company. A mobile-first company asks itself how it would provide its product or service in a country where 77% of people, both customers and employees, own a smartphone. Instead of adhering to traditional industry practices, these companies reevaluate their products, services, operations, and overall customer and employee experiences through a modern lens. Rather than treating mobile users as an afterthought, mobile-first companies place them at the forefront of their strategy. 1. Benefits of a mobile-first strategy. Differentiation. By adopting a mobile-first approach, companies create a unique selling proposition, USP, that sets them apart in the market. Customer experience. Prioritizing mobile leads to an industry-leading customer experience. Efficiency. It reduces overhead and manual errors while increasing productivity. Revenue opportunities. Mobile-first companies can explore new revenue sources by expanding their product offerings. Data utilization. Leveraging big data and customer insights becomes more effective. Cloud adoption. Going paperless and moving data to the cloud becomes a reality. Competitive edge. Companies like Lyft and Rocket Mortgage were mobile-first from their inception, while others like Domino's Pizza are transforming their operations to meet the demands of today's mobile-savvy consumers. 1. Examples of mobile-first companies. Lyft, a ride-sharing service that was mobile-first from the start. Rocket Mortgage, an online mortgage lender that prioritized mobile technology. Domino's Pizza, although established earlier, Domino's has adapted to the mobile era to cater to its tech-savvy customers. 1. In summary, a mobile-first company reimagines its business processes, products, and services with mobile users in mind, recognizing that smartphones are now the dominant internet-enabled devices. By embracing this strategy, companies can stay competitive, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. So, whether you're a startup or an established business, consider how you can take what you do and transform it into a seamless mobile app experience. Certainly. Let's explore the benefits of adopting a mobile-first strategy for your business. Expanded audience reach. About half of web traffic comes from mobile devices. 1. By prioritizing mobile experiences, you can tap into this huge audience and significantly grow your customer base. Higher search engine rankings. Google now penalizes websites that are not optimized for mobile devices. Having a responsive mobile website directly impacts your search engine rankings. 75% of internet use is expected to come from mobile devices in 20,172. Improved user experience, UX. A mobile-first approach forces you to focus on what's essential for mobile users. By tailoring core functionalities, such as navigation and design responsiveness, to smaller screens, you enhance usability and satisfaction for mobile users. 3. Personalization and customer relationships. Mobile apps allow personalized interactions with users. 35% of users want more personalized apps and websites. 62% of customers appreciate personalized messages based on their purchase history. 4. Cost-effectiveness. Prioritizing mobile development can be cost-effective. By starting with a leaner approach, you avoid building features that may not work well on mobile devices. It also reduces overhead and manual errors while increasing productivity. 4. Competitive edge. Being mobile-first aligns your business with user expectations. It improves online visibility and provides a better customer experience. Companies that embrace this strategy gain a competitive edge in today's mobile-centric world. 5. In summary, a mobile-first strategy allows you to reach a wider audience, enhance user experience, and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. By focusing on mobile users, you create a foundation for successful digital transformations. Certainly. Implementing a mobile-first strategy for your business involves several key steps. Let's explore how you can do this effectively. Understand mobile-first design. Mobile-first design starts by optimizing the user experience for mobile devices before scaling up to larger screens, such as laptops and desktops. Begin by sketching or prototyping your web app's design for the smallest screen first and gradually work up to larger screen sizes. Prioritize essential elements for seamless rendering and navigation on smaller screens. Why mobile first? Mobile devices are now a primary gateway to the online world, with approximately 54% of overall web traffic coming from mobile devices. Designing for smaller screens isn't just an option, it's a requirement. Embracing mobile-first layouts offers several benefits, including increased user centricity and performance optimization. 12. Best practices for mobile-first approach. Responsive design. Make your website responsive to mobile devices. Ensure quick load times and effortless navigation for mobile visitors. Optimize for performance. Prioritize performance optimization from the onset. Opt for lightweight assets, efficient code, and fast loading times. Mobile-specific features. Leverage mobile-specific features such as touch gestures and location-based services. Content prioritization. Focus on displaying key elements prominently for mobile users. Test extensively. Regularly test your mobile design on real devices to ensure a seamless experience. Agile methodologies. Embrace agile development practices to iterate and improve your mobile-first approach. 34. Progressive advancement versus graceful degradation. Progressive advancement. Mobile first. Start designing for the smallest devices first and then add functionalities for larger screens. Prioritize core features. Graceful degradation. Desktop first. Begin with larger devices and adapt the design for smaller screens. Ensure a robust desktop experience that scales well to mobile formats. 1. Internal alignment and customer centricity. Confirm that your internal business processes align with your mobile-first strategy. Optimize existing products for mobile users. Invest in new mobile products and consider IoT opportunities. Leverage customer data to enhance mobile experiences. 5. Remember, a successful mobile-first strategy requires continuous adaptation, testing, and a commitment to meeting the needs of your mobile audience. By prioritizing mobile experiences, you'll future-proof your digital presence and stay competitive in today's mobile-centric world.